Hello. Plenty going on with the weather this week. Some warm sunshine turning into hot and humid weather through Tuesday, and as is often the case, that heat and humidity is then expected to trigger some thunderstorms on Tuesday night and through Wednesday. The real risk of some intense downpours. At first, probably just a lot of flashes in the sky, a lot of lightning, but then a greater risk of seeing some of that very heavy rain. Should be clearing out of the way by the end of the week. Things turning fresher with some sunshine, but also plenty of showers. Let's deal with the heat first of all. It's been building over Spain throughout July, and now it's tracking its way northwards, and we'll really get that warmth through Tuesday. Parts of the south could get close to 30 degrees. Widely, we're up to the mid-20s, a little bit cooler around the coast. But that heat and humidity coming up from France will also bring up from France and across the Channel some thunderstorms. Initially, probably just a lot of flashes of lightning, but greater risk through Tuesday night that we will actually start to see some very heavy downpours. Now, too early to say exactly where they'll be, but there's a real risk that they could cause some problems. If the thunder and lightning doesn't wake you up on Tuesday nights, well, you might not be able to sleep because of the heat and humidity. Quite a sticky night, especially across the south. And into Wednesday, there will be a lot of cloud, a lot of humidity, and still some intense downpours gradually tracking their way northwards. They'll be hit and miss. Not everywhere going to catch these thunderstorms. And still, on Wednesday, when the sun comes out, really quite warm and humid, especially across the east. We could again get close to 30 Celsius. But elsewhere with more cloud, it won't be quite so hot. And then we're turning generally cooler and fresher from Wednesday onwards. These weather fronts working their way in from the Atlantic. This one in particular, notice as it crosses the UK on Wednesday night, the warmth, the yellow colours just disappearing as that weather front takes the warmth away and much fresher air starts to come in from the Atlantic. So a fresher, less humid feel on Thursday morning. That weather front still providing some showers across the east, probably at first, maybe the far north. Then, for many, much of the day on Thursday set fair, actually dry and bright before more showers come in from the west. And that westerly flow, that fresher feel, temperatures back closer to average. Now on Friday, a few days off, so this isn't exact, but we are expecting an area of low pressure to be sitting close to the UK. So expect bands of rain to be spiralling around, that fresh breeze as well. And if anything, temperatures down further. Quite a cool feel, I suspect, on Friday. Here's the chart. Again, this low pressure system might not be in exactly this position, but we are expected to be sitting very close to the UK, and into the weekend it continues to dominate with other weather fronts waiting in the wings. So for the weekend, big getaway, of course, as many schools breaking up at the end of this week. It looks, well, pretty disturbed weather-wise. A much fresher feel. It'll often be breezy. There'll be some sunny spells, but expect showers as well. More details as ever, day by day on our website. Weather warnings on here as well.